Are you looking for the best mini PC? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best mini PC on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Asus NUC 15 Pro. If you have been keeping pace with the technology industry, we know that artificial intelligence has been the hot topic for the past 3 years now or so. Especially generative AI has been the direction that most organizations and companies have been going in releasing new products and solutions. However, now, instead of just being a cloud-centric technology that runs in the public cloud, these powerful local language models or LLMs can run on local hardware. This requires hardware that can run LLM AI technology like dedicated GPUs or dedicated neural processing units, NPUs. New hardware, especially processors like Intel's Core Ultra chips, Meteor Lake, include something called Intel AI Boost. AMD's Ryzen 8000 series CPUs have something called XDNA AI engines. These offer AI acceleration natively. What can this hardware help with? Video conferencing enhancements, think blur, background removal, eye tracking. AI-powered upscaling and media editing. Localized large language model, LLM, processing for coding assistants or chatbots. AI-enabled surveillance and smart cameras. Newer mini PCs like the Asus NUC 15 Pro and Pro Plus have hardware that helps with AI tasks. Minisforum just released their AI 370 have the Ryzen AI 9HX processor and Radeon graphics to speed up Copilot and other AI-driven tools. These are just a couple of examples. Number 2. Minisforum BD795i SE Mini ITX Motherboard. One of the trends we are seeing that is catching on thanks to popular designs from companies like Framework are modular and upgradable mini PCs. In the early days and not so long ago, there wasn't really a whole lot you could do with a mini PC outside of upgrading your hard drive or memory. However, a trend in 2025 and beyond is to introduce modular designs. This means that you will not only be allowed to upgrade your storage and memory, but may allow ones to upgrade Wi-Fi cards, and even things like CPUs and GPUs. Note the following mini PC models that are highly upgradable and modular. Framework Mini PCs, which offers CPUs that are socketed and also have swappable I/O modules. Minisforum BD795i and MS01. The BD series is a mini PC-style motherboard that allows building around the unit to have a highly customizable build including a PCIe X16 slot and SODIMM DDR5 slots, M.2 NVMe storage options. Ashrock and Gigabyte barebones kits. These allow users to build out their own configurations using standard laptop or desktop components. These modular designs around mini PC type builds I think is really going to take off. Framework has completely sold out of their first batch of the modular mini PC builds and I think it shows the heavy interest in this feature from the community. We're also seeing heavy innovation in toolless cases, hot swappable NVMe trays, and even compute module ecosystems where different CPU or GPU options can be swapped in and out. Number 3. Minisforum Motherboard BD795i SE Mini ITX NAS Motherboard. This area has been one where we have been seeing trends of strengthening for some time now. Gone are the days where you just have a single 1 GB port. Now, most mini PCs are shipping with a bare minimum spec of at least a single 2.5 GB multi-gig adapter and some with dual 2.5 GB adapters. However, more exciting to me is that we are seeing more and more mini PCs with 10 GB adapters like the MS01 and the forthcoming MSA2. Definitely exciting hardware from the networking side of things. Why is this trend important? Note the following. Home lab setups with virtualization can easily take advantage of the 10 GB for HCI configurations and other types of traffic. 10 GB is really the minimum I would say for virtualized environments in 2025. If you want to build high-performance routers and firewalls, mini PCs make a great option. Having the faster networking means you can work with faster internet connections, etc. Edge compute solutions can be built around mini PCs with faster networking. Besides traditional networking, mini PCs in 2025 are embracing USB 4 and Thunderbolt 4. These allow external GPU, eGPU, support and storage expansion with lots of bandwidth. DisplayPort 2.1 and HDMI 2.1. These support 4K and 8K multi-monitor setups. PCIe 5.0 NVMe drives. These have blazing fast read/write speeds for virtualization, content creators and developers. Number 4. Zotac Zbox. Mini PC trends also include another aspect that is important to home labs and home office setups centered around modern mini PCs: quiet operation. As performance of mini PCs continues to climb, quieter PCs are becoming more desirable. Now mini PC manufacturers are designing systems that are fanless or nearly completely silent under normal load. We're seeing advances in passive cooling with large fin-stack heatsinks and vapor chambers, graphene thermal pads for better heat transfer in small spaces, low-power chips like Intel's Core Ultra and AMD Ryzen 8000U series that perform well without needing aggressive active cooling. There's a new class of mini PCs focused on zero-fan operation, like the Zotac Zbox Edge series and some industrial Minisforum fanless variants. Many mini PCs now draw under 15 to 20 watts idle and peak at under 100 watts, even while running virtual machines, etc. That's appealing for home labs which are always-on environments or for anyone wanting to have a low-energy footprint. Number 5. ECS Liva Z7 Plus. Many mini PCs operate low-power tasks like operating a kiosk or running digital signage, but some work as regular home desktops. The ECS Liva Z7 Plus can do both, making for an affordable space-saving solution for anyone looking to get basic work done. ECS sells the Liva Z7 Plus as a bare-bones PC, so you must add your own memory, solid-state drive, and operating system. However, it's a versatile mini machine with attractive processor options, like the Intel Core Ultra 5125H CPU inside our unit. In addition to processing power, it supports multiple workflows with wide-ranging connectivity, 9 USB ports, 2 Ethernet jacks, and support for up to 4 displays. Who it's for? Suppose you don't necessarily need enterprise-level features but want a compact PC that can power your personal and professional needs. In that case, the Liva Z7 Plus makes a capable home office or small business option. Just remember that ECS sells the Liva as a bare-bones, incomplete product. This desktop also serves anyone looking for a tiny PC that can simultaneously drive several monitors to maximize your full-screen app use.